Like what? At the end, like talking to make you feel like you're being bullied.
Yes, what happened to the girl?